Let's talk about something that can be a little nerve-wracking, getting a letter from the IRS. Specifically, we're diving deep into IRS Letter 525. What is it? Why did you get it? And most importantly, what should you do about it? Let's break it all down. First off, what exactly is IRS Letter 525? Think of it as a heads up from the IRS. It's officially called a General 30-Day Letter. You get this letter after the IRS has examined or audited your tax return and thinks some changes are needed. It's not a bill, so don't panic. It's a proposal. The IRS is saying, hey, we looked at your return and we think some numbers need to be adjusted, so why would you get one of these? It usually happens after a mail audit, also known as a correspondence audit or exam. Maybe there was a mismatch between the income you reported and what your employer reported. Or perhaps the IRS has questions about some deductions or credits you claimed. Whatever the reason, the letter means the IRS has finished its initial review and is now proposing changes. When you open that envelope, you'll find the Letter 525 and another important document, Form 4549, the Report of Income Tax Examination Changes. This form is the heart of the matter. It lists exactly what the IRS wants to change on your tax return and why. It will show the proposed new tax amount, plus any penalties and interest. Make sure you look at this form very carefully. Now, the most important part, you have options. The letter is called a 30-day letter for a reason. You have 30 days to respond. Here's what you can do. First, if you look at the proposed changes and you agree with them, you can simply sign the agreement form that came with the letter. This is usually Form 870. You sign it, send it back, and the IRS will then send you a bill for the amount due. But what if you don't agree? This is where your 30-day window is critical. You have the right to appeal. You'll need to send a written protest to the IRS office that sent you the letter. In your protest, you need to explain, point by point, why you disagree with the proposed changes. You should also include any documents or evidence that support your position. What if you need more time to get your documents together? You can call the IRS number on the letter and ask for an extension. Just make sure you do this before your 30 days are up. If you do decide to appeal, your case will go to the IRS Independent Office of Appeals. This is a separate division within the IRS that helps resolve tax disputes. It's a chance to have a fresh set of eyes look at your case and to negotiate a resolution. Now, a word of caution. Please do not ignore Letter 525. If you don't respond within the 30 days, the IRS will assume you don't agree and will move on to the next step. That next step is a Notice of Deficiency, also known as a 90-day letter. This is a more serious notice that gives you 90 days to either pay the tax or file a petition with the U.S. Tax Court. If you don't do either, the IRS will assess the tax and start collection actions. Collection actions are enforcement, including seizures, wage garnishments, bank levies, levies on many other sources of income, and tax liens. So, to recap, IRS Letter 525 is a proposal of changes to your tax return. You have 30 days to respond. You can agree or you can disagree and appeal. The key is to be proactive and to understand your rights. I hope this has helped you understand IRS Letter 525 a little better. It can be a complex process, but knowing what to expect is half the battle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. To learn more about how to fix your IRS issues, watch the free video, The Ultimate Guide to Solving Your IRS Tax Problems on our website, www.hrichtax.com. We're always here to help you make sense of the world of taxes. Thanks for watching.